Okay, here we go. We're starting our stain treatment. You can see this blue, this pool has turned completely black. The sides are black. Even turned the wall fitting black. You can see it here. We do have a little bit of blue. It's still recognizable here on this end. So, looks a little blue down there. And we're going to start with the Jack's Magic copper treatment. And then we're going to put in these See You Laters stain removers. So we'll see how that goes. We did balance the water. You got to get it in balance. And then probably don't touch this with your hands, but you know. Although it does burn a little bit, that may be a indication to use some gloves. I think the bottom looks kind of cool with that white speckles in it.
Looks like it might be trying to clear up the later.
Now this is also a scale remover, so hopefully it'll pull this scale off that's built up. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at what it's doing to that scale. Yeah, I think this is going to work. Look at that. Look at the blue already coming back. That's incredible. That is literally just one lap around the pool. Okay, so next thing, we'll put the See You Laters in there. Now, it only calls for one, but I'm going to put two. Okay, I'm feeling good already, like it's going to work. Does it? Okay, this is the See You Later. We'll put it in the pump. Okay, and we're going to run the pump just solid, so I'm going to leave it in service. We're going to run the pump and the cleaner. There we go. For the next 48 hours.
Okay, did you need
Okay, we've had this in there for about 5 minutes, and you can see it is already just lifting that right up. And hopefully when I come back tomorrow, and those See You Laters that we put in there will just be black, and all this will be picked up. But the bottom's even clearing up. This step, look at that, just beautiful. It is just falling off of there. This is looking amazing. Looking good.
Yeah, look at these steps.
Yeah, you can see where that chemical's just peeling it right up. Woohoo! That's exciting. Okay, 2 days in. You can see the color's beginning to come back. Still got some black spots. We added a second dose of the Jack's Magic copper remover, and it is seems to be doing a good job. But you can still see there's a lot on the wall. But coming off. Okay, about to leave here. You can see it's about 80% gone. Looking much better. Still got some black that I don't like. Yes. So the top steps are cleared. That second step is just about cleared. It's actually clearing off over here. This actually looks really good.